If you want to start off with Internet Computer Protocol or ICP from $0 and you have no idea what to do, this video is for you or for friends and family members that want to learn the absolute basics. And it's a very simple 3-step process. Now, this assumes you want to buy and invest in ICP, and I would suggest you use the technology as much as possible and research and learn as much as possible before then. And that said, if you've already done that, you've already watched my videos like in my ICP playlist, then this is going to get into the actual really using it and investing in it. And this obviously isn't financial advice, and I'm an ICP maxi. So the 3 steps to get started. First, if you don't already have an internet identity, you're going to go to id.ai to create an internet identity, which will look like this. When you land there, and maybe one day I'll get off my lazy butt and film a tutorial on this, but you go to internet identity, you can sign in with Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or continue with passkey. And I have this set up with passkey. That way, if I lose access to like a Google or Apple account, I'm not losing access to my internet identity. But I suggest you link this with whatever you are absolutely confident you're never going to lose access to. And that could be your Google, your Apple, or Microsoft, or your passkey. So this is step 1, id.ai is the website. Now, the beautiful thing is this will allow you to actually use the ICP technology without buying any ICP. And this will allow you to sign into apps, for example, like the network nervous system, which I will show you right here, and I'll refer to in the future. Your id.ai will allow you to sign into this, and it'll allow you to use applications like the new jerrybanfield.com. You can join my community here, get calls with me, and climb up on the leaderboard and show yourself as the top supporter. You can do all that. Plus, you can build your own applications on internet with this id.ai directly in caffeine.ai as well. So first step, create your internet identity. Second step, once you've got your internet identity, then you can go buy some ICP on an exchange. This is the part that's definitely not financial advice. You can go buy some ICP on an exchange. If you want to see how to do that successfully, I have multiple tutorials up. When you search Jerry Banfield Coinbase, I recommend watch this one that says how to buy more crypto and pay less fees on Coinbase. This shows you how to get more ICP while paying less money to Coinbase in fees. I've bought almost all my ICP off of Coinbase, and that's what I use. You may need to KYC or do all that crap. Once you've bought your ICP, then you can watch my video on how to withdraw crypto from Coinbase and deposit it to the network nervous system or OIZ wallets. This goes through and shows you how to take your crypto off of Coinbase, because as long as your crypto is sitting on an exchange, it's not necessarily yours. They are holding the keys for you, and therefore you may not actually have the crypto. Every ICP you buy off an exchange helps the price, and it helps all the rest of us in this ecosystem. And then in order to get your ICP under your control, then you'll go to the network nervous system. You click on add ICP, and then you will deposit your ICP to the address there that is at nns.internetcomputer.org, which you sign in with using id.ai. You sign into the network nervous system, and what's awesome from here, you can then lock your ICP if you want to. Like I'm earning maturity on my ICP with these voting neurons. Like this one is earning 8.4% APY, which on a potentially appreciating asset and unrealized capital gains can be absolutely incredible. But you can lock for, like I've got this little neuron here is only locked for 2 weeks, 14 days. So you can lock that there. Now, if you want more info on that, watch my ICP NNS staking tutorial, which will go through in much more detail. And I recommend watch the stuff before you actually use it. Then, if you want more help, or you want me to hold your hand through these various steps, or to talk more, or to support me, go to jerrybanfield.com and book a call. You can get a one-time call for $49 for 30 minutes, which is just practically for free in my mind. You can get a monthly membership, which has a call every month, and you can then post to the community where you can have a page on my website where you're posting, and then you can have direct messages to me. And there's even a yearly membership if you want to be on the top of the leaderboard here. Thanks for watching, and I've got a lot more ICP videos and a lot more videos for you to check out in the playlist. Hope to see you on jerrybanfield.com soon.